to school too. Ọmọ Igbo. Ọmọ Igbo.
Stop making noise.
Can't you see that this cloth is too big for me to wash?
Ọmọ Igbo. Wá jàre, ọ̀kàrẹ̀, wá. Ọmọ ìdílé wọn. Welcome to school too. Ọmọ Igbo. National Assembly is with have it too.
Wow.
National Theatre.
Yay.
National Stadium.
It's a lie.
National cake.
You kidding me?
National cake. I know you like cake.
National cake. I love cake.
You will eat cake, you will see cake. National cake is sweet, I get it. Thank you, Ojeri. Oh, you are too beautiful.
Aputu! Mommy! Yes, mommy!
Aputu since morning.
Mommy, can't you see that the cloth is very big?
Aputu, all round up and come and join me in the kitchen.
I'm watching TV and I'm playing football. Give me this big clothes to wash. Let me raise this one.
Honey,
What? Jesus is Lord.
I didn't see you. I didn't know that you were here. Oh my God.
Ikọ̀ burúkú ti
I'm
ṣẹlẹ̀ o.
so sorry. I'm
Ikọ̀
so
burúkú
sorry.
ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o.
I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry.
What is happening here? What is happening? What happened?
I don't know what I didn't know that you were here.
Madam, is it this way you play your
What is that?
No.
Who are you?
Otumba of the son of Oba.
What are you all buying? Who are you? Who are you?
Sir, let me tell you something. My father is the president of all the national everything in this country.
Yes.
Is it National Theatre? National Stadium?
Yes.
Even the national anthem, we are the one that have it.
Mommy, I didn't know.
You are the national anthem.
It's we that have national anthem.
Obutu.
Daddy, I didn't know that they were here.
No, yeah.
Sorry, please, sorry. So, our in-law to be, you pour water on our in-law to be.
No, it's all right.
Daddy, I didn't know that.
I was hearing when he said he want to play football. It's we that sponsor John, no be Mike.
Are you serious?
Anything you're talking about, national team, is we that have it.
You have national team.
Nigeria national team.
What is your motto? You are very stubborn. Your stubbornness will kill you.
There is nothing.
Don't worry. You see, $10, you so beg me for money.
What? Jesus! What? Jesus is Lord.
Ayẹlẹ o, ìbọ̀sí o. Ayẹ̀dọ̀rí kọ̀dọ̀ kò yẹ. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate your love and your support. You're watching
School 2. And then don't forget to subscribe. Wakari Ojere Olowo Buruku ni. School 2.